Hey guys, Dave here at Waldor. It is Thursday and we are setting up, getting ready for you Friday, Saturday here at the shop, 5th and 6th of September 2025. We're going to have a great time here in Linwood, and I invited one of my good buddies from Florida. Welcome, Mr. Jim Roberts, Florida SunCoast Orchids.
Pleasure to be here, happy to be here.
Yeah.
Hope you all come down, and this is an amazing place to have a show. Couldn't ask for a better host or a better venue.
Whoa.
And some of the stuff that I brought is going to be really good. Even though I grow it in Florida, it will work really well for you folks growing up here. Some nice compact cattleyas, something like some of these that are in these clay pots that will do well, and they can also grow in a windowsill. I've got encyclias that are compact, but I've got some unique and wonderful new hybrids that haven't been made before.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this one, man.
This is
Tail
called
and Lambert?
Tail and Lambert, and it gets to be quite a large plant if you want to, but some of the nice things about it is they will also grow and flower in anything from a 4 to a 6-inch clay pot.
This is awesome. I'm looking forward to that one for sure.
And it's nicely fragrant.
You do a lot of Schomburgkia breeding.
I do, and some of the bad press on the Schomburgkias is that they've got such a long spike. But if you hybridize them with an encyclia or you hybridize them with cattleyas, it really reduces that spike way down and makes them manageable.
Why do you like Schomburgkia breeding?
Well, they're tough plants. They go outside, they can take the full sun, and you don't have to really bother with them. They do like to be dry, but that's the main thing.
You also get some really good color out of some of them.
It's unique color. Like for instance, some of these Cattleya intergenerics that are in the Schomburgkias have 12 to 15 flowers on a single spike. Highly fragrant and can bloom 2, maybe even 3 times a year.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Solid, good colors. Again, good windowsill plants. I've got a few rare species from Brazil, not a lot, but a few. And some beautiful new plants that are growing. Seedlings mostly in 3-inch pots.
Cool, and I got one of your plants awarded just this last year.
You did, and that's because you're a better grower than I am.
Oh, come on. Now, I want you to talk about your plant. I got lucky because I presented to a group of judges that aren't used to seeing beautiful red Schomburgkia hybrids. So.
And that actually, I have seedlings of those too. It's called Hot Lava Stars variety Magma. And they are crimson yellow, about 4 feet tall on the flower spike, but again, the plant is a Cattleya size.
Yeah.
15 to 20 flowers on the end that last for about 6 or 8 weeks.
Yeah, I like what you said. You said you had a plant that had a whole bunch of spike and looked like red rockets. You should just call one of them red rockets.
That's the next cross coming up.
Nobody take that one. You
That's
take
my
that
name.
one,
That's
we're
all
coming for you. Yeah, yeah. But dude, we're great. We're grateful to have you. Now, Jim is going to be speaking tomorrow if you want to hear Jim speak. And you're going to be talking on what again?
Encyclias and Schomburgkias, a little bit of both. Some
Okay.
good things on both sides.
Yeah, because encyclias especially great in this area, real simple, easy to grow right here in Jersey. Jim's going to be speaking at 1 o'clock Friday the 5th, right here in Linwood, New Jersey. So come by if you want to hear Jim talk tomorrow at 1 o'clock. It's going to be great. If you can't make it then, come by Friday, Saturday, whenever you can get here. Saturday we're going to have AOS judging right here in Linwood. If you've never seen it before, it's a really cool process. You should come check it out. I'd love to see you here at the shop Friday, Saturday, 5th and 6th of September 2025. Now, you got some social media stuff?
I do.
Do any of that?
Florida SunCoast Orchids on Facebook. That's the place you want to look at. And if anybody who joins and signs up there, we'll give you 20% off the next order that you get off that page.
Whoa, nice. Heard it here first. Come join us here this weekend. Love to see you here.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Come on.